Hey, Ken the Solar Guy here. Just thought I'd touch base with you on our 2 year anniversary. Yeah, I'm still in traction. I still got my collar on, still got my broken neck, but I got to go next month for my follow up CAT scan. So hopefully there'll be all good news then. But in the meantime, I thought I'd visit with you. We actually went past our 2 year anniversary. That was on May 1st. This being May 11th. So back then, I was right at around $4,700 on total revenue saved so far. So original investment after the power company's rebate, I was at like 12.5 out of pocket. So $4,700 two years in, I'm looking at about another 3.25, 3.5 years, and the system will have completely paid me back in savings from my original investment, leaving me with another 18 years of production before my warranty runs out. So as you can see, I mean, the benefits, as long as you can get over that initial hurdle of the money coming out or being laid out up front, if you can get that done, the rest of it's gravy, and it's a lot of fun too. Really exciting to be able to produce electricity from pretty much once the system's in, doing nothing. The system just does it all by itself. So that's pretty cool, and it's from the sun. There's no activity. It's just sitting there. That's so cool. But anyway, I just thought I'd visit with you. Last month we had an incredibly good month on production. We actually produced about 800 kilowatt hours more than we used. And of course, that all went on my credit account with the power company at the meager rate that they pay us. But hey, I'll take it, as long as I don't have to pay for electricity. I can use the little bit they pay me now for some offset in the wintertime when I'm not producing as much as I need to offset the heat. As you can see, our April comparison from this year here in green to last year in blue is almost identical in April. So it's all shaping up. I just wanted to touch base with you here, give you the 2 year rate, 2 year production. And if I have anything else further, I'll hit you back again a little bit later on. So bye for now. One of my technicians, who happens also to be a neighbor, went and took this drone shot, which I thought was pretty cool, and he emailed it to me. So I thought I'd share that with you. It's a drone shot of my system.